Finding a reliable packaging manufacturer can be a daunting task, but it's crucial for the success of your business. In this video, we'll explore the key factors to find reliable packaging supplier. When searching for a packaging manufacturer, there are many important factors you need to keep in mind.
You need to ensure that the manufacturer uses high-quality materials and implements strict quality control measures to guarantee the durability and consistency of their products.
Second, customers should evaluate the supplier's pricing structure to ensure that you are getting a fair and a competitive deal without compromising on quality.
Look for a manufacturer that can provide customized solutions to meet your specific packaging needs, whether it's unique designs, sizes, or features. Choose a manufacturer with a proven track record of on-time delivery, responsive customer service, and a commitment to meeting your deadlines.
One company that consistently stands out in the packaging industry is Haplast. By considering these key factors and evaluating potential manufacturers like Haplast, you can find a manufacturer that can help your business thrive. Remember, investing in a quality packaging solution can make a significant impact on your product's presentation and customer satisfaction.